Okay. Hi. I am Victorious, CTO of Right Outer World. We are three core team member from Indonesia, consisting of designer, programmer, and artist, and our expert product advisor from Malaysia. We have worked together on many game projects at our small company, CSC Production. Based of our experience, we realize gamer have a bad experience because blockchain-based feature is too complicated for player, and some player also not have much uh, time to progressing their character or collect item or resource, and them usually wasting their money for unused item in advanced game. In other side, player feel unbalanced between free and paid player, uh, like when player need important item but it's locked behind firewall. That problem cannot be solved with simply remove that rule of the game because we will make a big impact on the developers' income and even the game will not fun anymore. So we decide to build Rank Outerworld, a cross-platform survival MMORPG with new gameplay, new feature, and revolutionary in-game DeFi, which has focus to make sustainable political and economic system to allowing player to have in-game financial solution from many revenue opportunity with various payment method. We will start from Southeast Asia, which is have ton of player, especially Indonesia, the fourth largest population in the world. As we all know, Philippines, Malaysia, and Vietnam they had players that well known about blockchain games. Indonesia is also have same culture and same player characteristic. Fortunately, Indonesia have a much more potential player that interest to play blockchain games, especially because play to earn things. In the game itself, we offer player many revenue opportunity with in-game currency, with in-game currency to token exchange, which systems, fee system, share system, and many other opportunity. So they can play and earn for the game growth or buyout, whatever them propose. And this is also give a free player opportunity to beat bad player with them hard work. But it's just our starting. When they grow, we unite them in region and district. Uh, and we offer the sovereignty to the whale player for a bigger revenue opportunity, which we expect them to spend money inside the game for that opportunity. Uh, to make sure that we will guarantee them to spending without wasting money because they can sell their unused item and NFT to other player, and other player can buy even they have no money because we provide feature which allow player to buy or sell NFT and in-game item with various payment method, like they can buy now but pay later, like rent, like uh, many other uh, payment method, and they can pay the installment of that DeFi service with them revenue opportunity. We also guarantee them to playing without wasting time because they can hire other player to grow their character or collect resource or reach another goal faster, and this is will be one more revenue opportunity for player who hire. If you imagine that all activity that will turn the wheel of economy just like this schematic, this is create supply and demand from each other player, and all we talking about will serve in our routing. Our key feature for player to earn investing and growth in the game. We starting from creating frictionless and cashless blockchain wallet to access our unique smart contract that allow player to do all their blockchain need with this feature directly from the game without another apps. So we believe this is will be no complicated anymore.